Hi, it's Chris Lyons at Shure, and we're here at InfoComm 2022 talking about the STEM ecosystem of conferencing audio products. Now, the STEM ecosystem provides a very quick and easy solution for rooms that don't require a complex audio installation. All of the products interoperate seamlessly together, whether you need ceiling microphones, wall microphones, table microphones, and even integrated networked loudspeakers. Plus, the STEM ecosystem includes this interesting online room designer tool that lets you easily configure STEM audio products and confirm in advance how many products you're going to need to cover your room. So there's no uncertainty, no guessing how you're going to need to cover the room. One recent development with the STEM ecosystem is that the STEM wall and STEM table microphones are now certified for use with Barco ClickShare. So if you've got a room that's equipped for BYOD, where people bring their own laptop into the room and they just plug in the Barco ClickShare dongle or use the Barco app, now the STEM ecosystem is ready to go as a plug-and-play solution. So that's the new STEM ecosystem from Shure, and you can learn more at www.shure.com.